These will be the elevators at the Disney's Yacht Club in Lake Buena Vista. 5 is unlocked, wow. Wow, and these go so fast for just 5 floors. Hear the generators up here. Still got the newer Lexan open and close, but the floor buttons are replaced. 1. Just heard an Elevonic beep. Whoa! And we're already at 1. Okay, let's take it for another ride. Look at that. I just found out that the beach club next door got modded. So these are gonna be probably gonna be on the chopping block very soon. So this may be a final ride. Wee! Already on 1, wow. Very nice leveling. We'll take this for another spin. Got an ADA compliant phone. And here we are already on 5. You know, we'll send this down and I'll get a view out here. Love the mechanical bells these have. We'll get a view out here. You can't really see much, but there's a look outside. Seem to have fixed them up. When I was here last time, all but that elevator over there was broken. All but that one was. Got a bathroom up here. And I'm guessing in there's the service elevators. It's a beautiful hotel. I love the theme in here. All right, I guess we'll head back down. Listen to the generators up here. Man, do I love the noise. One. And we'll just watch the buttons go out. It's too bad they replaced the floor buttons, but otherwise they're original, at least for now. Heading down?
Oh yeah.
One.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'm not filming you. I'm just taking some pictures of the elevators. I got it. Thank you. Actually, and we got this one. I've never gotten this one before when I've came here, so we'll give it a quick ride. That is some nice leveling. And I love the arrows too. All right, we'll end on one. One goes out. And we're gonna get off here. Anyways, there it goes. That's it.